Hi guys, welcome back. So FamilySearch has this new section called the Discovery section. Today I'm going to be talking about the Relief Society section. So if you scroll down, there's this Relief Society section, and that's the section I'm going to be focusing on today. If you want to learn more about any of these sections listed above, I will leave the links for those videos in the description box below. So to get started, we need to come here to the Discovery page, and the only way I know how to get here is to type this /discovery right after FamilySearch.org. But if you actually know of another way to get here, please comment below. I would love to learn. But for right now, I only know is to type that in. So like I said before, we are going to talk about the Relief Society section. So let's click on it. Here at the top will be a list of your sister ancestors, your lady ancestors, who contributed to Relief Society, and you can just scroll through and see the names. There's an ancestor that's missing on this list. Interesting. So of course we have an image if the ancestor has an image, their name, their birth and death and ID number, their FamilySearch ID number. Right here is view their relationship, and then view the page. Of course, if you click on their name, you can go to their personal page. If you click on view relationship, it's going to pop up, have this little pop-up box, and it's going to automatically take you down to where you are at. Then you can scroll up to see where the line connects. So I have scrolled up, and this ancestor is a daughter or sister of my husband's many grandmothers, so that's kind of cool. We're gonna go click here on view page. View page is gonna pull up this other website, the Church History Historian Press page. And here is the ancestor's name, their birthday, their birth and death dates, where they were born, who they were parents of, a little biops of who they are, and then some footnotes about where you can find, where they found this information, where you can find more information about this ancestor. I'm assuming if they did something great in FamilySearch and in Relief Society, sorry, in Relief Society, it might have more information. But I went through all his sister ancestors, and they all pretty much just have the same information. So, see, if we go to Sarah, we can click view page, and she just has the same information of where she was born, when she died. So, kind of boring. I'm assuming if you actually have ancestors that did something, there would be more information, but that's not the case for me. So you scroll down, and here are the 9 facts of Relief Society, 9 fun facts about Relief Society. So if you scroll down further, there's this video here that will help get you to understand more about Relief Society and gain a testimony and strength in Relief Society, let alone your grandmothers and great-grandmothers and those of your heritage that were part of Relief Society. So that's pretty much it on the page. I know, not as fun as the missionaries or the pioneer page. Maybe they'll add more in the future, and I'll have to update this, but for now, of 2017, this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will get back to your questions as soon as I can. If you have any suggestions on what I should film, please also put them in the comment below. I would love to hear those. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful week. Bye.